example of the vegetables we feed these pigs. These are leaves from the yams. Then we have others which are cassava. And in very dry seasons, we can use even the banana leaf. This one is an example of a sweet potato vine. What we do, we dip these in a salt water. We mix salt in water, and then we dip them in there. Or we use soap. We can use Omo. We dip the vegetables in soapy or salted water to kill the germs. Because what happens in a village like this, if, for example, there is a swine fever in the area, the dogs in the village, they move around, and they can, urinate on them or defecate on them. So when you use the soapy or the salt, you kill the germs. So you don't have disease on your farm, okay? So after that, we chop them. Times when it is very hot and you don't have enough, you can use the banana leaves. You can remove them like this or chop, but these ones, they like the leaves. Then we can add the jackfruit in the mixture. It should be biteable sizes. You chop into biteable sizes. There, the pig does not waste the food. And when we are feeding the pigs, we put all this in the troughs. We don't just throw them inside anyhow. So we mix everything together.
When it comes to management, it's not a difficult thing. It's a very easy thing because I involve every family member to do it for me. We work together, hand in hand. So when it means management, every morning we feed them according to their ages. Like a big grown pig, we give them 3 kilos of their feed on daily basis. And let me say, halfway grown, we give them 2 kilos on daily basis. Then the young ones, after weaning them, we give them 1